Right,
yes.
so potatoes are obviously integral to the Thanksgiving meal.
It's necessary.
We're giving them a bit of a twist. These are my 2 favorite ways to make them, a sweet potato and a new potato. Sweet potatoes, I like to cook them in small pieces. That way you do it quickly, because the whole point is not to sit around for hours baking potatoes,
God,
right?
it's such a drag.
So I've cut them into 1-inch pieces. I've tossed them in oil, salt, and vinegar, and I've put them in the oven, roasted them until they're just starting to get soft, and they're up here already.
I love it when she talks and I can eat more potatoes.
Yeah, keep going. You do you. Now I'm just going to sprinkle them a little bit. Let me put this on another trivet. I'm going to move your cheese so it's not in the way. Watch your hand. This is
Give
hot.
the bigger trivet so you have stability.
And of course they nest. And I'm just going to sprinkle them to give them some flavor with some chili flakes. Of course, if you don't want chili flakes, this is optional.
You should want chili flakes. Get over it.
I mean, I agree. Your kids should want chili flakes too. Coriander, crushed coriander seed. And then these are gonna go back in the oven to crisp up just a little more and bring out just the essential oils of the spices that you're using. And they come out like this.
Gilding the lily.
Yes, gilding the lily. Now,
I bet these are delicious too.
they're gonna be good. They're gonna be good. You're gonna just pour them right out onto your platter. Careful, because they're hot.
I got it.
You got it?
We got it.
Very helpful to have an extra set of hands. Ooh, that's hot. All right, watch out.
Jump in there.
Thank you.
Get over there, boys.
Yep.
Get in the mix.
There
Come
it
on,
is.
baby.
And then I've made this very simple vinaigrette. It's just a red wine vinaigrette, but I use coriander and fresh mint. And I'm gonna drizzle it all on top. You don't need a ton, but it's chunky and it's rustic. And if you toss that up, I like to finish this dish with some chopped pistachios. You could use walnuts, you could use almonds.
And it
chopped
looks
pistachios.
so pretty too, like the colors that you're building.
Yes,
Pomegranates.
pomegranate seeds. Give it a little burst of juice and
You want some
flavor and
mint? Did
color.
you already do your
Please,
mint?
no. Toss the mint.
Some torn mint on here.
Yeah,
Flaky
it
sea
doesn't have
salt.
to be fussy. A little sea salt, and it's just the most delicious,
Boom, not
easy,
one, but two.
sweet side dish.